Mario once again with MIA Microflight. Today is Saturday, November 1st, 2025. And what you're viewing here is a test jig. I just built this out rather quickly so that I can test some of these MOSFETs with a little more hands-off type setup here. I still have to hold the MOSFET, with my tweezers and put it in place there. This is basically sitting on the on 3 pins here, which are connected to the source, the gate, and the drain on this side right here of the MOSFET. That is a single channel, N channel MOSFET. There are some that are dual channel. They have both the P and the N channel, or the N and the P channel, embedded into that same size package. And it's a little more trickier to test those because half of that dual channel is on one side and half of on the other side. But this setup works just as well with those. I just have to be a little more careful in making the contact points match these pins here. And as I said, this is done purely by a little bit of pressure on the pins spread out just right. This circuit board is set up to be powered by 3 volts. Because this LED works at 3 volts, so I don't need resistors. I don't need any external components other than an LED that is connected to the. This is set up for an N channel, so it's connected to the plus side. Let me give you the schematic for that. Is that right there? That's for the N channel, a test setup, and that's how my pins are connected. Actually, those pads are going to be on a PC board once I do it properly, and I maybe send that out to get made. And this would be the P channel setup right there. Very simple. It's just using 3 volts, so there's no external additional components. You don't need that, to do that, to do this type of testing. And so that's the MOSFET. And as you can see here, I have that push button right there, which puts 3 volts at the gate, and that should turn on this MOSFET if that MOSFET is good. So let's go through that test here. And it does turn on. In order to shut this off, you need to basically, we apply voltage on the gate. Now we need to remove that voltage by grounding that, and so that turns it off. So that's a good MOSFET. Very simple setup. Like I said, very quick and dirty way to test these MOSFETs without me having to hold the leads, because that, just trying to hold the device and trying to test is a little cumbersome. So this allows me to do it hands-free, and I have to put another switch to ground the gate here. So that's just for to apply voltage to the gate for an N channel MOSFET. The P channel is the reverse of that.